Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you my slime collection, and I only have 4 slimes because I just restarted my slime collection. So yeah, so the first one is this slime, and it is called a grape slime, and it's just mixed in with a jiggly slime, mixing with a regular slime. So I'm going to show you the poke. And this is a new slime. I just made it yesterday. Okay, next is this cherry slime. And you guys have seen this yesterday when my sister was playing with slime. And she's not just my little sister. I have another little sister, but she's 1 and she can't play with slime because she might eat it. So here's the poke. And I think it's one of my favorite slimes, but not my favorite slime, so yeah. And here is my purple slime, and this one is one of my favorite slimes. It's my first favorite slime, and I made it first as well, so yeah, here's the poke. And it's so big, so that's why it's my favorite slime, because it's really big. Okay, and now is my last slime. Hold on. My last slime is like a slime smoothie because I mixed in all of these, so I just made it today. And it's in a hummus container. And it looks like this. So here's the poke. And it looks like a marble slime. See? So yeah, those are all my slimes. And yeah, most of my slimes are glossy because I use lotion and like water. And lotion and water makes it glossy. Or you could just use water and make it jiggly slime that is glossy. So yeah, those are all my slimes. Hold on, I have to put them back in. Whoa. So yeah, those are my slimes. And yeah guys, bye. Stay slimy.